Good morning, Orange Harris Elementary School. My name is Jonathan Olais Bueno. As you know, our elementary journey has come to an end. This means a new chapter of our lives is about to begin. As every eagle does, they must spread their wings and fly away. And today we are doing the same. The journey was fun and I made many friends, but at some point we have to make some changes in order to grow, like taking on new challenges, meeting new people, and making new memories. And maybe, just maybe, we will mature a bit more and grow a few more inches while we're gone. We have learned many things at Orange Harris, which will help and guide us on this new chapter of our lives. We will promise that we will be brave, strong, and always soar like eagles. Because once an eagle, always an eagle. The memories we shared here will never leave us because it will always be in our hearts. One last thing before I go, I just want to say thanks to Orange Harris Elementary School for laying the best foundation which has positioned us to do and be great. Thank you.